How to keep your relationship fun and exciting. Whether you're in a new relationship or a long-term one, it's important to put in effort to keep the spark alive. 1. Make time for each other. In today's busy world, it can be easy to let your relationship fall to the bottom of your to-do list. But it's important to make time for each other, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Go on dates, cuddle on the couch, or just talk about your day. 2. Be spontaneous. Don't let your relationship fall into a rut. Do something spontaneous and unexpected for your partner. This could be anything from leaving a love note on their pillow to planning a surprise weekend getaway. 3. Try new things together. One of the best ways to keep your relationship exciting is to try new things together. This could be anything from taking a cooking class to going on a hike to seeing a new band. Trying new things together helps you create new experiences and memories together. 4. Be affectionate. Don't forget to show your partner how much you love and appreciate them. Tell them you love them, give them hugs and kisses, and do little things to make them feel special. 5. Communicate openly and honestly. Communication is key in any relationship. Be open and honest with your partner about your thoughts, feelings, and needs. This will help you build a stronger and more trusting relationship. 6. Don't take each other for granted. It's easy to start taking your partner for granted when you've been together for a long time. But it's important to remember how lucky you are to have them in your life. Make sure to express your gratitude for them on a regular basis.